Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix game link to a different account on Ubisoft Connect, for example Rainbow Six Siege X. So without further ado, let's get started. It's quite easy to fix, so first you need to go to Steam and then look for Rainbow Six Siege. Right click, go to Properties, Install Files, Browse, and then you need to find the exe file. You can find it manually here, or you can press .exe here, write .exe and find it. And as you can see here, this is exe file. If you don't see exe files, you just need to press View, Show, and then select File Name Extensions, and then you should see it. Then once you find exe file, you can minimize this, and then you need to completely close Steam. So open up Task Manager or System Tray, and then close Steam completely, and Ubisoft Connect if there is as well. Once everything is closed, open up folder again, and then right click on exe, show more options, properties, compatibility, run as admin, apply OK, and run the game through exe file, and it will work for you. So that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like.